Hey guys, what's going on? Did a little work on Falkor this weekend. Thought we'd shoot a little video and show you what we did. Been working to get ready for race season. As we all know, it's creeping up on us. But we plumbed in the CO2 actuator to the MAC valve, made our mounting bracket and fuse panel. It's all nicely tucked up back there. All the wiring's hidden up and clean. Don't mind all that wiring. Don't mind that. We're gonna clean that up. But move the two-step up off the firewall so that we can reach it from the driver's seat. Everything's easy peasy. We can just reach over, grab it, just hit buttons, whatever we need to. Turn the launch up if we need to. CO2 valve just runs down into the MAC valve. MAC valve runs in over to the bottle. Easy to get to the bottle. Just open up the little glove compartment, reach in there, turn it on, shut the glove compartment. You're ready to rock and roll. And yeah, that's the driver's seat. Thought we'd show you what it's looking like so far. Getting ready, getting closer. Hell yeah, guys. Take it easy.